Hello viewers, in our my student class video we are going to see about 10th mathematics. So in that we are going to see practical geometry. So now we move on to our question. So they have given to construct a triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle P is equal to 60 degree. So they have given to construct a triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle P is equal to 60 degree, and the altitude from P to QR is of length 4.5 centimeter. So they are given to find the altitude. So they have given a length of altitude here. So in a previous sum we have find the length of altitude. So by here they have given the altitude from P to QR of length 4.5 centimeter, and they have given the base centimeter as baseline value centimeter as 6.5 centimeter, and the angle of P is given as 60 degree. So with the help of this centimeters we are going to construct our triangle PQR. Okay, now we move on to a sum. So now you take your scale and measure the given centimeter, which is 6.5. So draw the line PQ. So draw the line Q or 6.5 centimeters, or QR line is 6.5 centimeter. So we have drawn. Now take your compass and bisect the QR line. So by placing the edge of compass on Q point, we are going to measure the more than half of the QR line. So with that we are going to make an arc. So on above of our line QR and the bottom of our line QR, we are going to make an arc from Q point. So now place your compass on your R point. So now you make an arc above on QR line with the same angle, with the same point you have measured. So bottom you make another arc. Yeah. Now you join those arcs with the scale. So we have now bisected our line QR. So mark it as G point. So now take your protractor and set it into a Q point and bottom way, and mark the degree. They have given that 60 degree, so you have to mark the degree as 60 by placing your protractor on QR line. So on the point Q. Now join the Q point and the dot which have been you kept. Now we want to mark the line as the E point. So this QE have been found. So this is the angle of 60 degree. Now take your protractor and place your protractor on QE line with Q as base, Q point as base. You place your protractor on QE line, mark 90 degree here. So you should mark 90 degree. Mark 90 degree. Yeah. So now after this, take your scale and join the Q and the 90 degree dot. After joining that, you just give a label for it as F. So we have find our QF. It is 90 degree. So QE and QF has been found. Now measure the QO point and make a circle. So make a circle over it. So we have got our circle. So in here this Q and R are the chord of the circle, and then QE is the tangent of the circle. Now you measure from O to the scale and your compass. You measure the point O to 4.5 centimeter. And lock it. Now you keep the compass edge on your G point and make your arc on the bisected line, because they are given our length of the altitude as 4.5. So we have to mark it on the bisected line from our G point. So here we want to use a set square to draw 90 degree. So this is our M point. So you should use a set square for your 90 degree line. So now we are going to, instead of using set square, I'm going to use our protector itself. So take your protector and place it on your M point. So sharpen that M point. So in the line of MG, so MG is a 4.5 centimeters. So in the line of MG, we place it and mark 90 degree on your right hand side of M. Mark 90 degree, and then on your left hand side of your M, same as M to G, place your protector. From M point you should measure, mark the angle 90 degree on your left hand side. So after marking this, you mark 90 degree. So after marking this, take your scale and join the line of 90 degree dots and the M line. So you will get a straight line. So to get the straight line, we are taking our 90 degree on from the M point. So now this is our A point and this is our B point. So the point which cuts the circle of A and B line is our P point. Now join your PQR. So from P to Q and P to R. So this is our required triangle PQR, and its angle is 60 degree. So this is our PQR line we have found. So till now we have completed with a geometry sum. So in our upcoming videos we would see about many sums based on 10th mathematics. So you don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my student class YouTube channel. Thank you viewers.